Wingstop is everything.
But I'll be on it always, always and ever.
Alright guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Texas T, and today we're going to be eating Wingstop. Alright, so I got the 20 piece 20. As you can see, I got the garlic parm in classic, and I have the barbecue. Alright, both in classic. And then I have lemon pepper and honey spicy rub or something like that. Okay, so then I got, of course, you gotta have a ranch. So I got a large ranch, and of course we got agua. Look at my cup, isn't it cute? I know. Gotta have some agua. Nice. All right, so we're gonna dig in. My favorite is garlic parm, so we're gonna start with garlic parm. So good. This is a big tub, okay? A big tub of ranch. All right, so next we're gonna try the spicy honey rub or something like that. Really good. Good. I got wings, ranch. So we need to talk about some gossip. Y'all want to hear some gossip? That Deionsanders had well, I know this is the sad part, that he had bladder cancer. If anybody know me, they know that I love me some Deionsanders. Okay. Now with the part I didn't like is he dated Karuchi. Anybody heard that? Is that the truth, that he dating Karuchi? That's the truth. She was crying, holding his hand. Well, we're gonna pray for Deion, but Karuchi done stole my man. Okay, let's try the barbecue. Not barbecue. Barbecue. It's so good. Whew. This is good. So what y'all think Chris Brown is saying about Karuchi with Deionsanders? I know he has a podcast with Roxy on Tubi or something like that. And everybody was like, he must be dating Roxy. But no. He dating Karuchi. And then you know he going through all these health problems and all. So what y'all think? Do y'all think she there for the money? Or do y'all think she there for love? Comment down below and let me know. There for money or for love? I tell you what, she secured her bag. She ain't gotta work. I mean, you know, she do like little movies here and there. Tubi movies and Lifetime, I guess. No, maybe not Lifetime. I don't know. I know she was a part of that that show, Claws, but I never watched it. I had the honey rub and the lemon pepper, and these are tenders. These are the tenders. Honey rub is really good. I could say that really I like the classic, the boniness, better than the tenders. I don't know. Tenders give me like Tyson vibes. You know, the brand, the chicken brand Tyson. That's in the frozen foods. You know, the chicken tenders. I don't know. They give me Tyson. The only chicken tenders that really doesn't give me like really Tyson is Chick-fil-A. But I can pass on the tenders. I really can. You can't pass on Wingstop. You just can't pass on Wingstop. Like Wingstop, who don't like Wingstop? Wingstop. Wingstop is everything. I don't even like Buffalo Wild Wings. I don't like Buffalo Wild Wings. If y'all have a Buffalo Wild Wings in y'all city, let me know if y'all like Buffalo Wild Wings. I don't. Who is going to the Chris Brown concert? Me. So y'all know I live in Texas, so I think it's in September. Yeah, it is in early part of September that the Breezy Bowl will be here in Dallas, Fort Worth. Okay, so I can't wait to see Chris Brown because he has great concerts, great dancer, great singer. Can't wait to go to that concert. All right, guys, thank you for watching my channel. I hope you come back, subscribe, like, share, comment, and I will see you in the next video.